Ringkat Kari India hi barok kawai ka Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation ka National Sample Survey Office Field Operation Division Regional Office Shillong ringkat ka jing snokti lang ka Department of Statistics St. Anthony's College Shillong kala rakhi ya ka National Statistic Day aja apusau. Ya ka National Statistic Day la rakhi kirpang bankin mau burom mi u Professor PC Mahala Nobis ubabana kum u father of the Indian Statistical System. Hagani Gasmi, Lawan Bandon U Professor S.K. Jha, HOD ka Department of Statistics, Northeastern Hills University, Father Arcadius Puwen Ubade U Principal ka St. Anthony's College, N. Mohandas Singh Ubade U Director, Regional Head ka NSSO, R.O. Shillong Barkiwei ki Basha Khot Smobha. Habakran hagani gasngi U Professor S.K. Jha, Ulapin Kinmawi ki binta ba Kongsan Halor ka jingmyntoi, Barki Jingdon kam bantibnya ya ka statistic. Ulo ong daga balum thop lang ki jingken jingdia kan pinsuk shibun ban ai ki jingken. Nakaliang kawai pat ki nongkren, kila pinsungot ho bat ai jinghikai hakabayade bat ka statistic, bat kila ong badaga ba puli ya ka statistic kan wanra ki jingmento ya baro nadu ki badan hakabor hadu kirit kiria.
And his innovative methodologies have had a profound impact on the way data is analyzed today. Today, as we celebrate his legacy, we are also recognize the vital role that statistics play in our daily lives, particularly in the realm of decision making, as the theme of today says. Statistics is often referred to as the backbone of informed decision making. In today's world, the ability to extract meaningful insights and make evidence-based decisions is more crucial than ever. From government policies to business strategies to scientific research and social initiatives, the application of statistics is ubiquitous. It helps us to understand the trends, predict outcomes, and make choices that are grounded in empirical evidence rather than conjecture. Of course, sometimes we may give a wrong decision or a wrong projection like we just had during the election, announcement of the election. In the context of governance and public administration, statistics serve as an essential tool for planning and development. Accurate and reliable data enable policymakers to design effective programs, allocate resources efficiently, and measure the impact of various initiatives. For instance, the data collected through the national sample surveys provide invaluable insights into the social economic conditions of our population, guiding interventions aimed at improving livelihoods and fostering inclusive growth in our state and outside our states. The private sector too leverage statistical analysis to drive innovation and competitiveness. Business rely on data analytics to understand consumer behavior, optimize operations, and enhance customer experiences. In healthcare, statistical models are used to identify risk factors, improve patient outcomes, and manage public health crises. the most recent COVID-19 pandemic has underscored the importance of statistics in tracing the spread of the virus, assessing the effectiveness of interventions, and planning vaccines drives accordingly. However, the power of statistics is not limited to large-scale implications alone. On the individual level, statistical literacy empowers us to navigate the complexities of modern life. It equips us with the tools to critically evaluate information, make informed personal decisions. It equips us with the tools to think properly, to participate meaningfully in democratic processes. And as we deliberate on the theme of today's program, use of statistics in decision making, let us acknowledge the responsibility that comes with handling data.
As Dr. The father has already mentioned that he is regarded as the father of the Indian statistics, and his contributions towards the socio-economic planning and the statistics are immense. So, in honor of his remarkable contributions in the field of social economy and policy and planning, we celebrated this 29th June as the National Statistics Day all over India. And one of the motto of the celebrations of this National Statistics Day is that to create the awareness among the people, especially among the younger generation like you, to know about what the importance of the statistics in the policy making, socio-economic planning, and holistic development of the country. That is very important. The statistics play a very important role in the socio-economic planning, and as I said, the holistic development. So one plan is needed. So everything is depending on the statistics. So to create this awareness among the younger generations, this National Day is celebrated all over India. Like every year, actually, in fact, National Statistics Day has been started celebrating from the 2007. So every year we are having one theme, and based on the one theme, we are organizing some seminars and some talk show everywhere. So like everywhere, every year, and this year also we have a theme, and you might be aware that this year theme is the use of data in decision making. The concept of the data-driven decision making is very, very important, and for making informed decision is very much important, and it is one of the prerequisites for better understanding of the statistical information emanating from official statistics for facilitating evidence-based decision making.
And I'm very happy to express my feeling that the NSSO Shillong and the efficient team are organizing this program since then. I don't remember exactly, was it 2007 or 2008? The program was organized in that youth center besides St. Anthony's High Secondary School. So I was there also. And our chief guest was the Education Minister of Meghalaya at that time. We have some participants, but no, not like this. There were very few that time, but they continued, NSSO has continued, taken this challenge. Then I think once it was organized, I have attended not all, but a few, when it was organized in that Assam house. That time also I participated. Then, but I'm thankful to St. Anthony's colleagues that once it was conducted here, then they have not allowed it to go anywhere else. So they are continuing with this program for many years now, I think, celebration of National Statistics Day. As you have heard already, that we celebrate this program honoring Mahanabis, but the main objective was very different. The main objective was to popularize and to make people aware about the statistics Now this term statistics is used in two ways. One, only for data, and the second one, where we usually write the uppercase, start with uppercase statistic. The first one was usually written with lowercase statistics, S. Now that means the tools, the set of tools that will be used to analyze the data. Okay. But this might, if you say that this is infant mortality rate, then this gives you some kind of information. Now, once you are getting some information, then of course you can think that medical somehow perhaps the person there, the population there is medically very strong or very active or very, you don't need so much of medical attention additional. Usually who are weak, we are giving more attention to that. And this identifying who are weak, who are strong in certain areas, that is what is the job of the policy making. They assess information and they then accordingly they can concentrate on the weaker areas to improve. So the whole story starts from data. Data, if you just see data, if you, I just write, it is only entropic collection. Entropic collections, it doesn't have an order and it loses its importance over some time. The first job, what remains is to put the data in some form. Usually that is known as database. Once you have a database, then database has certain properties. You can summarize easily, you can filter, you can analyze from there, and then that gives rise to some kind of information.